Hey IT pros, there are two approaches to audio conferencing for larger spaces: Complexpensive and Easyconomical. Let's see how they compare when it comes to installation. Installing traditional systems for larger spaces may require specialized skills or trained technicians. That's Complexpensive. With Nureva, it's a simple DIY job. That's Easyconomical. Traditional systems require a lot of cables running to multiple components and DSPs. Pretty Complexpensive. Look! Yikes! With Nureva, it's one cable, sometimes two, so Easyconomical. Installing a customized multi-component system can take several Complexpensive days. Nureva, 30 to 60 Easyconomical minutes, about the time it takes to order a pizza. So, will it be Complexpensive or Easyconomical? It's your choice.